Fueled by passion and unparalleled talent, Slovenia is a pioneer in technological innovation. Its green qualities, creative talent, and smart solutions have been the driving force of a nation determined to develop ideas others think are impossible. Located in the heart of Europe, with well-established links to regional markets, Slovenia takes the crown as a world leader in cross-border trade and one of the fastest-growing Central European countries. It may be small in size, but it is big in its achievements. Because Slovenia's strategic efforts in digitalization, science, and information technology empower local companies to produce globally competitive solutions. Slovenia's smart companies are not only shaping the future of zero-emission aviation with electric and hybrid propulsion aircraft, but also protecting the planet with comprehensive smart systems for more efficient energy management. With innovative solutions for preventative genetic testing and high-technology laser systems for medicine, they are lightening the burden of healthcare systems around the world. Besides being an important research and development hub, Slovenia is also a powerhouse in the automotive industry. Today, its companies continue to transform the future of mobility with best-performing intelligent drive systems and the first-ever in-wheel drive for electric vehicles. By using cutting-edge automation and producing solutions for smart factories, Slovenian companies are among the pioneers of robotization and creators of the Industry 4.0 trend. Slovenia wouldn't be smart without the ambitious, competent, and innovative people who are always focused on development and new ideas. Make the smart move and grow with Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.